So this one was completely nastiness inside. It was actually plugged more than that. When I pulled it out, I unplugged it. So the bottom drip rail down in there, you can see how dirty it is. That's actually clean now. I already flushed some water in there. And you can see the green flakes from the copper oxide coming off the copper. The copper is corroding. They've used the wrong cleaning chemicals in here, and the room has a lot of salts and other cleaning chemicals. So I'm going to clean that out and some more. This is going to get a little treatment of bleach down inside here and then flushed out. And then I'll treat their little drain pan treatment inside there and give it a little coating. I'll clean it up, stuff a towel down in there, clean it out. The next service this gets, the head will probably be replaced. You should see how much corrosion are on all the circuit boards. All the little resistors and caps and everything are all corroded, green and fuzzy. The solder joints look like they're ready to disintegrate. So that hopefully will extend its life. Get at least 6 more months, a year out of these units before just replace them. That's it.